The Global School of Corporate Excellence and Parsai Immigration Services present who is a foreign national with respect to Canada. People with respect to Canada could be divided into three major groups: Canadian citizens, permanent residents of Canada, and foreign nationals. Under Sections 3 to 5 of the Citizenship Act, Canadian citizens could be either those people who are born inside Canada, who are born outside Canada, whose parents are first-generation Canadian citizens, or who immigrated to Canada and later became naturalized citizens. Under Section 12 of the Immigration and Refugee Protection Act, permanent residents of Canada could be people who have immigrated to Canada under any of the family reunification programs, or people who have immigrated to Canada under any of the economic immigration programs, or people who have immigrated to Canada as refugees. So, who are foreign nationals? Under subsection 2.1 of the Immigration and Refugee Protection Act of Canada, foreign national means a person who is not a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident and includes a stateless person. Some examples of foreign nationals could be international students, temporary foreign workers, international tourists, foreign business visitors, foreign diplomats, or people who are in Canada without proper documents. In other words, illegal residents or stateless residents. Is there a relationship between where you are and your status towards Canada? The answer is no. The state of being a citizen, permanent resident, or foreign national is independent of the location of a person. In other words, a Canadian citizen remains a citizen whether they live inside Canada or outside Canada. A permanent resident of Canada remains a permanent resident unless they lose their permanent residency because of inadmissibility issues, for example, due to terrorism or serious crimes, or they do not meet their residency requirements under Section 28 of the IRPA. A permanent resident who loses their permanent residency becomes a foreign national. A citizen who loses their citizenship may become a permanent resident or a foreign national depending on the circumstances that resulted into the loss or renunciation of the citizenship. There are many pathways for foreign nationals to become permanent residents and eventually citizens of Canada. Those pathways are usually complicated and not available to everyone. Visit the official Government of Canada website or consult with a professional for more information. These slides were presented by yours truly, Al Parsai. I'm the CEO of Parsai Immigration Services, a regulated Canadian immigration consultant since January 2011, an instructor of Immigration Consulting Diploma at Ashton College. I'm also an instructor for Global School of Corporate Excellence. I'm the author of 10 books and more than 1,000 articles and blog posts about immigration. You can reach me at al@parsai.ca. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions for educational purposes, contact the Global School of Corporate Excellence. Their website is www.gsce.ca, or for visa, study permit, work permit, immigration, and citizenship of Canada, contact Parsa Immigration Services. Their website is www.settler.ca.